I'll show you how to predict the stock market accurately for 6 weeks straight. Okay. Imagine you receive an email from a financial advisor on Monday and he says the stock market will go up. And you watch the market, sure enough, it goes up. So the next week you get another email, the stock market will go down this week. You watch the market, it actually goes down. And this happens for 6 weeks in a row. Every single time the advisor predicts the market movement, whether it's going up or down, with 100% accuracy. So by the seventh week, he asks you to invest your life savings with him because he clearly has an infallible algorithm. My question to you is, would you invest? Most people would be incredibly tempted. The odds of guessing the market correctly 6 weeks in a row by pure chance is astronomically low. It's like 1 in 64, right? It's almost magic. Let me now reveal the stock market newsletter scam. So, this advisor didn't need any algorithm, right? He simply needed a mailing list of 6,400 people and a lack of conscience, definitely. Here is how he did it. Okay. Week one, he divided his list in half. He tells 3,200 people the market will go up, and he tells the other 3,200 people the markets will go down. Okay. The result, let's say the market goes up. The 3,200 people who got the down email are dropped from the list. So they are never going to hear from him. Right? Week two, he takes the remaining 3,200 winners and divides them up again. He tells 1,600 it will go up and the other 1,600 it will go down. Say the markets go down, right? So he drops the losers. Week three, he targets the remaining 1,600. 800 get up, 800 get down. By the end of week six, there are 100 people left on the list, and to those 100 people, this advisor doesn't look like a scammer. They have no way of knowing about the other 6,300 people who received wrong predictions and were quietly discarded, right? This concept is called survivorship bias and it changes how you view success stories, miracle cures, or viral trends.